Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 1.5 litre petrol plug-in hybrid engine, which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian Grey. Let's start our journey from the front, where we'll find the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading down the sides, you'll see further sporty and stylish features as it sits with pride on a set of 20-inch gloss dark grey alloys with a diamond turned contrast. To the rear, you'll notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, where you'll be able to locate both chargers, one for domestic use and one for public charging. Rear passengers are going to be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony perforated winter leather seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we now have available at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.